Trooper Cook, Highway Patrol. The reason why I stopped you, I'm not wearing a seatbelt. The reason why. What's the reason? Do what? Speak up. Do what? You're near what? Alright, well speak up when you're talking, sir. On 64 here, you didn't have a seatbelt on. The law says you got to have it on no matter where you're at on the road. Get your driver's license, registration. ID. You don't have ID? You got any ID on you, sir? The reason why you wasn't wearing a seatbelt either? You just took it off? How much marijuana is in the vehicle? I can smell some. You saying there's nothing in the vehicle? Alright, you want to step out the vehicle then? D140 Raleigh. D140 Raleigh. Shots fired. Shots fired. Sir, let me see. Hey, drop the gun. Drop the gun. Doc, drop the gun. Harmony Drive at Solo Drive, Siler City. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. D140 Raleigh. Police department over there. VDMAS 1018. I got one subject down. Hey, come on, stay with me. D140, I need EMS 1018 and CPR. D140, we're public service looking now. We're getting come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, sir, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, sir. D140 Raleigh, just 1014, just GSW to the chest. Oh, God.